Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 2 cups milk and pour it into a medium saucepan. Add 1/2 cup sugar and 3 tablespoon cornstarch. Whisk these dry and wet ingredients vigorously until no lumps remain, about 30 seconds. Place the pan over medium heat and continue whisking constantly. The mixture will first steam, then thicken in about 4 to 6 minutes to a soft pudding consistency. Remove from heat immediately at thickening and stir in 1 tsp vanilla and a 1 tablespoon butter for flavor and sheen. To make chocolate pudding, whisk 2 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder with the dry ingredients and reduce sugar to 1/3 cup. Proceed with the same cooking method. For fruit-flavored pudding, prepare the base, then fold in 1/2 cup mashed banana or 1/2 cup pureed berries after removing from heat. This keeps fruit texture and fresh flavor. To increase creaminess, substitute 1 of the 2 cups of milk with 1 cup half and half or whole milk. The pudding will be silkier and slightly richer without changing cook time. Once the pudding reaches a thick, glossy texture, pour it into a shallow bowl or 4 small serving cups. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Place in the refrigerator and chill for at least 15 minutes, though 1 to 2 hours yields a firmer set and better flavor melding. When ready to serve, portion into 4 servings of about 1/2 cup each and garnish as desired with whipped cream, a dusting of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon toasted nuts, or 1/4 cup fresh berries for contrast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.